Hi, in this video we're going to be looking at writing expressions. So this is a foundational algebra skill. It's really good to get to grips with these sorts of questions. Please do stop the video, have a go at each of the questions and then compare your solutions. Before we get to the video, I just want to say a very quick thank you to all of the sponsors of the channel. Your work is brilliant. I'm so impressed. Thank you so much for everything that you do. I just want to highlight Eric, who's going to be featured on question number 4 on this particular video. Hope you enjoy it, and I look forward to seeing you inside the video. Hi, in this particular video we're going to be looking at writing expressions. Now my plan is to carry on through the whole of this document and answer all of the questions here, but please do stop the video, have a go at each of the questions and then compare your solutions. If you're not sure about anything, please add a comment below and I'll always come back to you. If you're happy with the video, please add a like. It's really appreciated and it keeps YouTube happy. Okay, so in this first question, we've got simplified by collecting like terms the perimeter of the floor. Now, I do appreciate it's not the greatest font size, I'm afraid, so it might be a little bit tricky, but hopefully you'll be able to read it. And please do download the document from the website as well. So the perimeter is going to be basically a little fella, and he's going to run all the way along here. And if he does that, he's going to run 6x plus 10. Then he's going to run down there, and that's going to be 5x plus 3. Then he's going to run along here, 3x plus 6. Then he's going to run up here, 2x plus 1. Along here, plus 3x plus 4. And then finally, plus 3x plus 2. Now, I do appreciate that that's just taken quite a long time to write everything out, but it is really helpful to certainly show the examiner what it is you're actually thinking. And also, when you come to gather up the like terms, which we're going to do now, then hopefully it'll be a bit more straightforward, because what we're going to do is we're going to say, well, I've got 6x and 5x is 11x, plus 3x is 4x, plus 2x, hang on, 11x plus 3 is 14x, plus 2x is 16x, 19x, and that then would be 22x. So all my x's, I've got 22 of them. And then it's the numbers. I've got 10, 13, 19, 20, 24, plus 2 is plus 26. So that would be the expression 22x plus 26 for the perimeter of this floor. Okay, so similar one with the next question. It says a rectangular lawn has a length of that and a width of that. Write down an expression for the lawn perimeter. So basically what we've got is a lawn where this particular one is 4x minus 2 and this is x plus 3. So again, it's a little fella. Here he is. He's going to run 4x minus 2 plus x plus 3. Now it's going to get to that point. It's going to run back along the same distance. So it's another 4x minus 2 and then another x plus 3. X plus 3. Okay, so when I gather up the like terms, hopefully I'm going to get 4x plus x is 5x, 9x, 10x. Okay, now be careful with the numbers because I've got a minus 2 plus 3. Well, that's 1. Okay, then I'm minusing 2 again. So that's going to be minus 1. And then I'm going to add 3 again, so that's going to be plus 2. So just be a little bit careful when it comes to particularly dealing with negative numbers. You need to remember what you're doing with negative numbers. Okay, and there are other videos on the channel, and if you want to have a look at those on directed numbers, then that might be helpful to you. Okay, let's move on then, some word problems. So I've got 3 is oranges cost 40p each. And an expression for the cost of X oranges. Okay, well, it doesn't really matter. X could be 10, it could be 50, it could be 3. Doesn't really matter. An expression for the cost would be 40X. So it's 40 times the amount of oranges that we're going to buy. Okay, now number 4, this is a special question because I just want a quick shout out to Eric, one of the sponsors on the site, members of the site. Thank you so much, Eric, for your sponsorship. It's really, truly appreciated. It motivates me every morning to make sure that we get these videos done. Okay, so Lol is X years old. Eric is 5 years younger than Lol. Write an expression for Eric's age. Well, Eric's age is going to be 5 years younger than Lol, so it's going to be X minus 5. And that's an expression for Eric's age. And thank you again, Eric, for all of your support. Okay, number 5, Lol is X years old, Josh is Y years old, Carys is Z years old. Write an expression for the sum of their ages. Well, what we're saying is that Lol is X, Josh is Y, and Carey is Z. Okay, the sum of their ages is these things added together. So that's going to be X plus Y plus Z, and that would be the answer to that question. Okay, next one then is an apple costs 20p, a pear costs 40p. Write an expression in pounds for 3 apples and 2 pears. Okay, so probably the easiest way is to convert these into pounds. So 20p as a pound is going to be 0.20, and 40p as a pound is 0.40. Okay, hopefully that's okay with you, that there's 20p as a pound is 0.2 and 40p as a pound is 0.40. Okay, an expression in pounds for 3 apples and 2 pears. Okay, so in pounds, and I think it's important to maybe write it, we're going to write 0.2a plus 0.4p. Okay, now you could, if you wanted, write 0.20a plus 0.40p. But it wouldn't make any difference to the calculation, and it could look a little bit untidy. So you're better, if you've got a 0 at the end of the number, just missing it out altogether. It won't make any difference to the actual calculation itself. Okay, so we're going to move on then to question number 7. Please do stop the video, have a go at these questions, and then compare your solutions. So in this particular one, these questions are quite wordy, but actually the solutions are, well, hopefully fairly straightforward once you've got through all of the words. Okay, so biscuits are sold in small packs and large packs, 50 biscuits in a small pack, 120 in a large pack. Ted buys X small packs and Y large packs. Write an expression for the total number of biscuits. Okay, well, if he's going to buy X small packs, the total amount of biscuits in his small packs will be 50X. Okay, so if he buys 3 small packs, it's going to be 50 times 3. If he buys 10 small packs, it's going to be 50 times 10. Okay, same with the large packs, 120 Y of the large packs. So the amount of biscuits that Ted buys in total will be 50 times however many small packs and 120 times however many large packs. Okay, hope that's all right for you. I know it's a particularly wordy question with a fairly straightforward solution, providing you're okay to work through the words. Okay, and it's the same, I'm afraid, with number 8 and number 9. Okay, so number 8, in a TV quiz show, a contestant scores 5 points for each correct answer. This is reduced to 3 points if a contestant needs to ask a member of their family, or 2 if a contestant needs to phone a friend. Okay, so if any of the big TV stations are listening, this is my idea. Okay, a contestant scores C correct answers, F family answers, and P phone answers. Write an expression for the total number of points the contestant scores. Well, the total number of points for every correct answer will be 5C. plus every family answer will be 3F, plus every phone answer will be 2p, and that's it. You don't really need to do anything more with that. That's absolutely fine for that question. Okay, number 9 then. Let's have a look at number 9 finally. A child's ticket to visit the cinema costs X pounds, okay, or X dollars if you prefer. So an adult's ticket costs £7 or $7 more than a child's ticket, okay. So what we're saying then, if we're going to write an expression for the price of the adult's ticket, so the price of the adult must be £7 more than the child, so it must be X plus 7, okay. Then it says, write an expression for the cost of one adult ticket, which is X plus 7, and then 3 children's tickets. So that's going to be B, is one adult is going to be X plus 7, plus 3 children's tickets at X pounds each is going to be 3X. So the expression is going to be 4X, remember, gather up the like terms, plus 7. And that would be the answer to part B. Okay, part C, write a formula for the cost of one adult and 2 children's tickets. Okay, now this is a little bit of a slight change in emphasis towards the end of this video, but a formula is where you've got an equal sign in it. Okay, so what we're saying is actually for the person to buy one adult ticket and 2 children's tickets, there is a cost. So C equals one adult ticket, which is X plus 7, plus 2 children's tickets, 2 lots of X, okay? And when we bring the like terms together, we've got C equals X plus 2X is 3X plus 7. And that would be the formula in order to work out the cost of an adult ticket and 2 children's tickets. Now, I'm sure you appreciate X could be anything you like. It could be £5 or £10 or $15 or whatever it might be. Okay, I hope that's been useful to you. I know it's been a particularly long video. Please do add a like. I really appreciate it. Add a comment below if you're not sure about anything. And I look forward to seeing you inside the next video.